Hello everyone, let us see how to install Python. In python.org, after logging onto the website, you have to go to the downloads section. In downloads section, you will find the latest version of Python. Now, after you download it and install, you can find the folder of Python in the start menu, and from there you have to select idle. As soon as you select idle, a window will pop up, and here we can execute our commands. Let's see and execute some commands. Don't worry if you don't understand this, because in coming session I'll explain all this. I'm doing arithmetic operations here. Now let's create one file. We are creating a file to write our program. Here, print function is used to print something. So I'll be printing something on the screen using print function. Blank print function here is used to print a blank line. It is not necessary to include this, but just for the keeping a blank line I have included it here. /n will also include a new line. After that, I am declaring a particular variable, say x. X is equal to input function. Now input function is used to take input, and in input function also we can mention a string to be printed at the time of taking input. So this particular line will be shown on the screen when this input function executes. So basically this is a program to print something and take a particular input from the user and print the same input which is given by the user along with a different string. Let's save it. This has to be saved in extension .py as it's a Python file. You can also execute the program by pressing F5, but let's execute it manually. So I have selected run and then run module. So here the output is observed. Now let us do a different operation here. Let us check the type of data which is residing under the X. So X here is a string.